Tugnaw. Tugnaw, Sam. Nag-ulan, Sam. Tugnaw. You're a good cat. You're a good cat. Tugnaw. Magyakap ako, be. Magyakap ako. Tugnaw. Uy. Kaluoy man sa baby. Huh? It's cold outside, baby, no? Baby, you are just here. Let me just embrace you, baby. Yes. Don't kick my tea. Huh? Baby. Okay. You're getting warm now. You're getting warm. No. Remove the worshiping. You're getting warm. Getting warm. Baby. Oh, don't scratch me. Would you like to have a nail cutter, baby? Let me squeeze your tummy, babe. Would you like to have a nail cutter? Baby? I'll get a nail cutter. Huh? Because you're very nice. Oh my goodness, it's very sharp. Okay, I'll get the nail cutter, okay? Okay. Here is the nail cutter. Shh. Sorry. Did I hurt you? Guys, I'm going to cut the nails. The claw is very... Oh my goodness, it's very sharp. Look at that. So sharp. Huh? Oh my god, this is very sharp. Baby. Oh my goodness. Another one. This is, guys, this is really like, okay, getting warm. Because it's very cold here. I know that ear, you don't like it. Wait. Because your claw is really like a claw. Sorry. Wait. Look, this is a very sharp claw. Wait. Okay, here we go. The claw. Another on your foot. Okay. Wait, baby. Wait. My goodness, this is... Baby. No. Don't stop moving. Stop moving. Stop. Stop it. Oh my God. Ah. Mm-hmm. Okay. Wait. Mm. Okay, another one. Another one. Another one. This is the last one, okay? This is very, oh my goodness, this is a very sharp one. Mm-hmm. Okay. Mm. But no, no, no. If you want to get warm, you have to embrace me. Mm. Mm. You have to embrace me. Mm. Baby, Samsun. Ay, shush, shush, shush. No, no, no. No, no, don't. Why? Why? Because I cut your nails? Huh? You don't like it? You don't like it, baby? I know that ear, you don't like it. Ah, why you're growling? You just need some warm body. Because it's very cold here, the guys. And we should switch on the air condition. Plus, the rain is here because there is a typhoon here in Philippines. So, it's so cold. It's so cold, baby. It's so cold. Huh? Sam? Sam? Mm. Okay, we're finished with the cutting. Baby? Alright, look. Finish the cutting. And we will have a little. A little. Now you like it? The ear is going up, so meaning it's not bothered anymore. Guys, this is the way I cut the nails of my cat. Alright. Say thanks to your fans, Samsun. Huh? Especially the oh, I forgot the name of the handle. She's from UK and she really loves Samsun so much. Shout out to you. I will shout out again once I got her handle. Oh, Samsun, Samsun, baby. I. Why you're angry again? Huh? Okay. We'll finish now the video. Goodbye, guys. Say goodbye. Your nails. Your nails still sharp. My goodness. I think one of the nails still not cut. Goodbye, guys. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe and share as well.